Welcome back to the first startup and the mystery sound when my heart sank and hit the ground and I thought I did something wrong. You know the feeling when you get the jitters. But if you've not watched this series yet, there's a video in one of these top corners. Stay tuned. Let's put the battery on, just loosely for now. Helps if I have the key. This is it after months of wrenching, wiring and well too much tea. Disclaimer, if it goes up in flames, it's not my fault. The Mark 1 is ready to jump to life. The fluids are filled up, the battery is charged, everything is ready to start up and my nerves are shot. Here we go. Little bit of choke, little go, little bit more. Oh yeah! Drop a bit of choke off. Let her warm up. Oh no! Sounds like we needed to tune her a little bit. Put a bit more choke on. Oh yeah! Happy boy. Time for a test drive. It's not the engine, it's not the front, so what could it be? It sounded more like it was from the back, so let's investigate, let's jack it up, spin the wheels and see if we can get the sound to repeat itself. I think it's this one.
Yeah, I mean that's...
The handbrake's not on, you can't feel anything through the handbrake, one of the cables, something else is wrong, so let's strip it down and let's have a look. We found it! Amazing. What a find. Thank you, Richard. The Mark 1 uses drum brakes at the rear, which the bolts go all the way through. They're not studs. Some drum brakes have studs, some have bolts. This one has bolts. So the length of the bolt is quite important, it's quite critical, especially on the rear, because they'll go through the alloy wheel straight into the drum, and if they're too long, they'll go through the drum and out the back into where the shoes are and all the spring setup and the handbrake adjuster is and all that lot, and then start hitting that. As we've seen on this thing, that's what's been happening. We actually know that these are 10mm too long.
So if you actually look here, it looks like it's been rubbing on here, and this is all buckled, but the biggest one is there's not a spring here, and you see there should be a spring from here over to here to pull all this tight so the automatic adjuster works. Because at the minute there's nothing holding the automatic adjuster. So this usually pulls that, and it usually lets the automatic adjuster work. So that's the problem. So I'll get onto the parts people and just order a new one of these, a new like bar, adjuster bar, and that should be alright. All these look brand new, looks like someone's been here before. These look new. All this is a new kit, so I presume Tim's probably already changed this but just didn't put that spring in, because if it was, it would have been down here or in the shoe and get ground up with the loads of metal debris and grinding. So yeah, let's onwards and upwards we go in the winter. Yeah. So I'm just going to quickly take this off and I'll speed through it and just let you see it.
Pro tip, always check your bolt lengths, stud lengths, and also the pitch of the bolts to the wheels you're fitting, so you make sure you don't have a failure in that thing, because obviously when a wheel overtakes you, it's very embarrassing if you fit the wheels, and also very, very dangerous. The person who changed the wheels
Welcome, this is my little car.
is also the person who put the bolts back in. Yes, in a standard setup they probably have a 10mm spacer or something. The drums are probably 10mm thicker for the car that should have had these wheels on, but obviously this car is not that car, so we need to get 10mm shorter bolts. I found them, here's the picture, and fitted them, and there's no sound now, so it's all looking good. All built back up. Yeah, so this spring here wasn't on, so we put it through, and I do think the other side's built the same, built with the spring in this bit up here, not down here. So I need to strip the other side down and build that up as the same again, and then we should be all hunky-dory. So yeah, hopefully that is the sound. So we need to push on the exhaust rubber as well. But yeah, that's the job for another day. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and press that notification bell. It all helps build up those numbers. Thanks for watching. Next one, we'll do a small tune, get it ready for its MOT, and make sure there's no other issues on the car whatsoever that will stop it from passing MOT, and then I can book it in for its MOT. Oh, that'll be good. Get rid of it and get on the next project.
Grease-stained hands in the fading light, wrenching my fists, another endless night. Chrome and steel, they never talk back, but they shine when I patch the cracks.